protein shake. Just I like to have it like, you know, especially now that it's hot in Tampa, I like to have it like a warm, I mean a cold, a chilled, like hot chocolate or stuff like that. Oh my God, it's really good. And then you have that chocolatey on your mouth. This is good. Hi guys, so I'm excited today. I'm going to be giving an update on my weight loss. It has been going well. I'm sorry I was MIA, guys. I was on holiday in Chicago, so I'm back and we're back on schedule. And I can't wait to show you my results. So I am still losing weight. I didn't lose as much as I wanted, of course, because I did eat in Chicago and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I'm back on track and I'm heading towards that 200. So as you saw on the scale today, I weighed 220.8 pounds, which is awesome. The scale is going down, which is really amazing, guys. I'm excited. So for my workouts, what I've been doing, I've been walking every morning around 6:30. I walk and I've been trying to follow my diet. I have been having a bit more food than I usually do due to a lot of stuff going on at work and also just school. So I have been eating a bit much. So this week I'm going to watch what I eat, because my goal, as you remember, guys, is by the end of this month, I should have at least lost a total of 10 pounds. And I'm almost there. So I'm excited, guys. Okay, guys, this week I received a free product from Ultimate Paleo Protein. And this is good for my program, guys. You're going to see me, I'm sure you saw me in the video making this product. It's really nice. It tastes really good. I love it. And here again is the package. It's really well packaged and I love it. I'm a chocolate girl, so I like anything dark chocolate or anything chocolate. I will have it. And this has really been a good meal replacement for me. And I would just add like almond milk and then I'll mix it together with this, especially after my workout in the morning when I walk. Then I'll just make this Ultimate Paleo Protein, and then that will be enough for breakfast to carry me over like until like 11 before I actually have my actual breakfast. So this has been really amazing. I really like it, guys. You guys should try out their product. I'll put their link in the description box and you guys can try this. This is nice and it is very low carb. I'm going to put all their like the nutrition facts on the back around here or here so that you can see it's low carbs. For 2 scoops, it's about 2 grams of carbs, which is awesome, guys. If you're counting your carbs, this is good. And it's paleo. If you guys have tried the diet paleo, it's a product where you only eat natural foods. You don't eat anything processed. You eat anything that comes from the ground. So meaning potatoes, sweet potatoes, and all the likes. You don't eat like processed stuff. Paleo is very healthy and it's really nice. I have done paleo before and I really liked it. That was some years ago in DC. Once I get to my goal weight, my goal is to go back on paleo because it's really healthy and you're eating mainly fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and healthy meats and fats. So yeah, guys, you should try the Ultimate Paleo Protein product, and here's their website. I'm going to link again their website on the bottom. And this was a free product that they gave to me for me to try it out and then let you guys know how it tastes like and how it goes. It's really delicious. I already tried it, as you saw in the video. You saw me earlier when the video started, me mixing it up together. It's really nice and it has helped me a lot. I'll continue taking their product, and guys, go and support them, and this is really good. And also guys, it is protein. It's beef protein plus collagen, and we all know that collagen is good for our skin. As we get older, we lose collagen, and you know, taking something like this is good. And not only are you taking protein, you're also taking collagen, which, you know, you want to look young forever, right? So guys, I'll keep you updated on what I'm going to be doing this week. I should be back on my regular schedule, which is giving you a video every Sunday. So guys, look out for that, and thank you so very much for your support. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so very much for watching.